Doesn't like macro mode works in the video yet, but this is the smooth operator. Got it engraved here. I did just notice something as I went to use it. It felt a little bit rougher than usual here. You might see it right there. So we can zoom you guys in. Boom. Is that a crack? You can kind of see the texture from milling in there. And the crack is emanating from right where the bolt is screwed in. And this is that Ultim material. I'm gonna have to reach out to Tactile turn. I have a feeling I may need a repair already. This was a new design, so we'll see what happens. So I've been loving this thing. If you haven't caught my original video on it yet, check out Smooth Operator by Tactile Turn. We'll see where this goes. Usually they're pretty good about support. They've even remilled other parts of my pens years later, so always got to be something around here, though, you know?